Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by importing your photos and locking in Basics. Open the image, then convert important layers to smart objects so edits stay non-destructive. Once done, inspect Resolution and Color Profile, choose 300 dpi for print or 72 dpi for web to avoid quality surprises. Make sure the Layers and Properties panels are visible. These give you access to masks, adjustments, and blending. As you work, save a versioned copy so you can revert if a change doesn't behave as expected. Now you perform the main edits. Create adjustment layers for exposure, contrast, and color so you can tweak settings later without harming pixels. Use layer masks to apply changes selectively. Paint with varying opacity for smooth transitions. For retouching, choose the healing brush, clone stamp, or content-aware fill depending on the area size. The healing tools preserve texture, while clone duplicates exact pixels. Once satisfied, group related layers and name them clearly so you don't lose track during complex passes. Finish by creating a stamped visible layer and apply sharpening subtly, then reduce opacity to blend. Once complete, export appropriately. Use export as for web-optimized JPEG/PNG or save as TIFF/PSD for print and archiving. Make sure to flatten only copies. You'll want a layered master. If you see halos or artifacts, disable smart filters, step back to earlier history states, or rasterize the problem layer and redo the filter at smaller settings. This often removes banding or unexpected edges.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.